Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you are. My name is Chase Matthews, and today I want to talk to you about a new program I got in called the Power Lead System. First thing I want to do is show you that today, what day it is. So let's see. Let's look up time and date to just make sure I'm not making stuff up, because I know you see a lot of hype out there. So today, Oklahoma City, it's 10:42 a.m. All right. So I'm about to tell you about the Power Lead System. All right. I joined close to about 3 weeks ago, and I was just given the program an opportunity because I'd seen so many people having such great results that I wanted to see if I were able to get the results if I put in the work and put in the effort. So, the first thing I want to show you is that from the last couple of weeks, I want you to look at this, and everything you see right here are people who have opted in to um, that opted into our capture page. So that's pretty impressive if you look at the numbers that I'm showing you. Okay. Now, there are different levels of getting paid, but I want you to see, if you catch where my cursor is, I've got gold members, diamond members, just regular people who have joined, and a bunch of opt-ins. And I have a list that is that I'm able to keep through because of the Power Lead system. Now, if you're wondering what the Power Lead system is, it's actually a marketing platform that allows you to build lead pages, allows you to build capture pages, and depending on what you decide to do, we have a autoresponder where you can blast out to your list, because if they don't tell you, the money is in the list. And I'm gonna tell you what, I've never seen the kind of success I've had with any business outside of anything. This Power Lead system is, I mean, it's powerful. I mean, I wanted to show you just all the emails from all the opt-ins and the new members and things like that. Okay, and if you look just this morning at 12:49 a.m., I got 20 more people to opt in, and this is cold traffic. This All of this is cold traffic that's coming into our capture page, and it's converting. I mean, like crazy. But let's go ahead and jump back into my back office real quick, because the other thing I wanted to be able to show you was if I wanted to send out a campaign, and I could. Okay, what I want to show you is if you look at this number here, 319 people. Okay, 319 people opted in. Tell me what business in another 3 weeks that you get 319 people to opt into your capture page. Okay, 300 people. All right, and so I'm going to show you this just from all of my commissions haven't come in, but what I wanted to be able to show you was, you see there's $100 right there. Okay, and I did that in the first couple of weeks of the business. Okay, in the first couple of weeks of the business, all my money isn't even showing up yet, but I can't tell you anything I've ever done where I've made money that fast. Okay, now I'm not saying it wasn't hard work and it didn't take time, because it did. You don't get results without doing anything. I'm on this constantly showing my results and things that are possible if you're willing to put the work in. And so, I mean, this stuff is powerful, y'all. I mean, I can't even tell you, they pay every week. Haven't missed a payment. They pay every single week. And when you're just getting started in a business, you need to have you got to have some guidance. Now, I'm part of a group inside of Power League called the Freedom Takers, which I have to tell you was one of the best options. Um, Paul Farmer, Amanda Ray, Ontarian Hawkins, some of the big members there. I mean, these guys know what they're doing. And when you're getting into an internet business, you have to have somebody who can coach you through, because there's a lot of stuff, even inside of the system, there's a lot. But I want to tell you what, I started getting results the first day. Okay, I went, if you look at where this is, and it's February the 9th, February the 9th. I started the first day I signed up. I started in the training. I put the funnel together. I did everything they told me to do, and the results speak for themselves. And every week, I am pushing traffic, either free traffic or paid traffic, and I have guidance, and we have a community inside of the Freedom Takers. And that's not something you just get into in the Power Lead system. Now, you Freedom Takers is his own group within Power Lead, and you'd have to, you have to come and be a part of this team because it's all about community that's going to help you grow. I mean, we have our own Facebook group, we have our own training nights where we like to keep ourselves, us, and other people inside the community lifted up. I mean, and if you're new to the online world, this is where you need to start. You need a business that can help you grow every single day as a person, a community, because I want to tell you, you're not going to get to the top working by yourself. Anybody told you that, that's a lie. This isn't a get rich quick scheme, okay? That's not what this is. Okay, this is a business and it's going to take time. And you're going to have to constantly be working at your business. Now there's some people making $2,000-3,000 a week. Now, if he's making $2,000-3,000 a week, that's life changing for anybody I know. And my goal is to continue to grow my business, and I want to keep tracking it. I'm mad I didn't do a video earlier, but I'm doing one now. And I want to let people know that this is possible. I mean, all I've done is follow instructions. If you can't follow instructions, don't worry about it. You're not going to get very far in business. All I did was follow what people who were successful before me did. That's it. Nothing complicated. And after I did that, hey, these numbers speak for themselves. Okay, if you look in those opt-in rates on this thing, the numbers speak for themselves. I don't have to say nothing. Proof is right here. Proof is what I just showed you in commissions earned. Okay, and if you want to learn, if you want to grow, then this is the business for you. Look, I'll have my link below. Click it if you want to know some more. You want to reach out to me. All right. Have a good day. God bless.